It's dangerous in the way it can actually, well, what would it do if it sprayed you?
It can't spray. What it was doing was rubbing his butt, and it makes the little hairs fly off. And if that was Mosey messing with him, the hairs would go up in his nose and irritate it, and it would make him want to stay away.
Creek, and the bear came up and tried to attack his daughter. Everybody jumped in front of the bear.
You look over that way a little bit while you're telling me. Keep telling me the story.
And then what happened was he confused the bear and ran and made the bear run away, but he made the bear fall off the cliff.
Oh, that would be tricky. That was a good move.
But he fell too.
Oh, that's not good.
He fell first, but the bear fell with him.
And then the bear didn't eat the daughter?
Well, he died and the daughter did. No, the daughter didn't, but she was alone there.
That's scary, huh?
Yeah.
Well, no bears here, no mountain lions. All we got here are frogs.
Cedar Creek.
Coyotes. Cedar Creek?
Yeah, Cedar Creek Falls here.
There was a bear down there?
Wait, no, it was actually a mountain lion.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I always felt like you're such a good daddy, you do anything to keep me safe.
I would do that.
But I didn't want you to go over the edge.
No going over the
edge. It was
edge.
kind of silly.
You ready to head back? So what do you think of this, buddy?
I like it.
You not scared?
Scared?
A little bit, maybe?